All I could see was logs. I couldn't see water. The noise was the scariest thing I've ever experienced in my life. It was just the boulders underneath the water. It felt like a thunderstorm under your feet.
As the river surged, Stephanie Mangum kept recording. She had come to help family friends who were out of town, moving their dogs and horses to safety. Then the water crossed the bank, taking a shed and a mobile home with it.
Oh my God, it's got that house, it's got that shed. Holy cow.
Don't come higher, don't come higher, don't come higher. And then when it busted this fence and when it started going into the neighbor's home, that's when I really got sick.
That neighbor's home was hit hard, windows blown out, and a gap where a door once stood.
And we could see the water rising in there, and we could see their couches and dressers and stuff start to float. And then all the fire debris logs that were coming down, one of them just got stuck right there. You can see the trunk that's still stuck, and then one of them just pivoted right in and it just shattered that glass, and then everything from their home started coming out.
From above, the scale of the damage comes into focus. Drone video shows a wide path of mudded debris cutting through the Grove neighborhood, where city leaders say about 200 homes were impacted. And the destruction doesn't end there. State Route 153 through Beaver Canyon is now closed indefinitely after floodwaters washed out multiple sections of the highway.
So they're just trying to clear it away so it has a path.
Yes,
So, yeah.
and so that the debris doesn't get taken down into what's.
For Becky Parkinson, getting home meant a 13-hour drive after seeing Stephanie's video and not knowing what she would find.
We had a shed over here that's completely gone. We can't even find it down the river.
She and her family have been cleaning almost nonstop since Sunday without water or gas, but they're staying.
When we know that we're threatened, we'll go.
Until then, they're clearing debris, trying to keep the water moving while keeping one eye on the river and the other on the sky.